How to change location on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's get started. To change location on Android, you need to head towards settings and then scroll down. Here you need to look for additional settings option and navigate to it. After you launch, select language and region option. Here you get the option to language and region to change, so you can tap on region. So currently we have set our region to Nepal. You can easily scroll down and look the list of the countries and region. So you need to simply tap on a particular location which you want to change to or where you reside. You can even tap on the search bar and search for your location, and once done, you will successfully change the region on your Android device. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.